Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the internal microphone is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now, when I say missing, it does not mean that it's not working, because in that case, at least it is detected. It means that it is not present at all. So, if you have a doubt, first of all, search for Device Manager and open it. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and check if it is present there. Now, in some cases, you may have multiple mics. One is the laptop mic, one is another mic. So you may get confused. Okay, so in this case, you can check if the microphone is connected. So right click on the start button and select settings. Now go to Bluetooth and devices, select devices, and it will show input devices. So check if it is showing here. Now in my case, microphone is connected, but you won't find it here, and the reason is that it will show the receiver only. So the next option, and you know what, there's one more thing. If our microphone is connected using the 3.5 jack, it will not show in this list. If it is connected using USB-C type, then it may show here, because if we are using that 3.5 jack, it simply becomes a part of the computer. The next one is to check for the power source. Okay, so if a few microphones have a requirement that they need a battery or an external cable, otherwise most of them use your computer as a power source, but it depends. You can update Windows, right click on the start button, select settings, and then you can go to Windows Update tab and click on check for updates. Now, these are the software level solutions. There's one more thing. Like in my system, I am using a microphone, an external microphone right now, but it will not show anywhere because I am using it through the 3.5 jack. So, to make sure if your microphone is working or not, try doing one thing, tap right near the microphone like this and check if any bar moves. So if it does, then it means that the microphone is connected. Or try that 1, 2, 3, 4 counting till 10 and try it moving away from the microphone and towards your computer. And then you will get an idea of whether the sound is coming from the laptop's own microphone or the externally connected microphone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.